everybody, today I'm going to share with you how to make carnation flower from Crepe paper. To make this flower you will need one string, you will need a green tape, and you will need 3 pieces of Crepe paper. For the Crepe paper I use 40 centimeters, so make sure that you already cut it into zigzag on the top. First we need to make sure that the strip opens on the top where we cut zigzags. You will repeat to do the same thing with all those 3 pieces of Crepe paper that we already cut in zigzags. After we finish it, let's try to roll it. So as you can see, we roll it very carefully and very slowly, so make sure that you can catch up step by step. Next, after we finish that layer, let's add other layer. I will repeat do the same thing as what I did before. Next, after you finish the last layer, you can look at your flower and try to reconstruct it a little bit to make sure you get a shape that you want. So I will try to organize my shape a little bit to make sure that it's nice and beautiful. After that, I will take a string to tie it at the bottom to make sure that my flower is stay and secure. Next, I will use the green tape to tape it around at the bottom to hide the string that I tied. For our next step, I will add leaf on. So I have plastic leaf at home. If you don't have this at home, that's okay. You can create a leaf from your green grid paper. And next, let's add a stem. Before you add a stem in, to make sure that you make a little loop on the top of it. The reason why we do that, to make sure that it stays with the flower nicely and secure. So you poke your stem in the middle of the flower and then you pull it down. The loop have to hang on in the flower. Now the flower is done. That's very easy step. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.